Hey guys, and what just happened? It's time to take a look at the latest news regarding the Galaxy S22 series, some big wins and some big losses. It seems like Samsung is having a roller coaster of a week. Let's take a look at the bright side first. The new Galaxy S22 series is thriving and bringing out almost 2 times the sales compared to the Galaxy S21 series, which is just incredible news. According to ZDNet, in South Korea, the pre-orders are at all-time high, reaching almost a million units already in just 7 days. This is apparently the fastest million that Samsung has achieved in the recent times, even more than what they've achieved with the Galaxy Z series in the first 7 days. Almost 60% of these sales are for the Galaxy S22 Ultra, making it by far the hottest Galaxy of 2022. If Samsung keeps up these numbers, they're gonna break all the records they set with the Galaxy S8 and Galaxy S10 sales. Now, Samsung is also having a record-breaking start in India with over 70,000 pre-order units. These numbers are looking great for Samsung. It's definitely a dominating start for the S22 series in India. Fans will be pretty happy in these regions because they are getting the Qualcomm variant of the S22 series, but we can't say the same for the Exynos users. Recently, there's been a lot of testing going on between the Exynos and Qualcomm models, and well, Qualcomm is said to be once again better than Exynos, beating it out in almost everything decisively. XDA has done a big comparison between these two variants, from benchmarks to CPU throttling to performance per watt to even general usage, battery life, which is something I personally tested as well. Snapdragon is better than the Exynos 2200. XDA went pretty extreme, taking this test to a whole new level, even calling the Exynos 2200 a mid-range experience chip. I hope with some software updates, Samsung can fix some of the issues that they have mentioned. Now, another YouTuber by the name of Golden Reviewer has done a camera test between the two variants, and there's actually a noticeable difference between the night video performance, which is again further confirms that the Snapdragon variant is just better. Now, the issues for Samsung don't stop there. Apparently, they are losing big time to TSMC. According to the latest news, Samsung has just missed on a big paycheck by Apple, and TSMC is set to step up. iPhone 14's new 6nm 5G modem chips are now being manufactured by TSMC. Not just that, even Qualcomm chose TSMC over Samsung for their future 3nm chip manufacturing. This is all because Samsung's poor yield, which is one of the reasons why we don't have enough Exynos 2200 models. Again, that's kind of a blessing in disguise because we're getting more Qualcomm units, but Samsung is losing big time when it comes to the business side. So that's all the latest news. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.